Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kausani's vlog. Today I am going to share with you corporate makeup look in 8 easy steps under 5 minutes. Step 1 is moisturizing. It is really important to moisturize your face before any kind of makeup. I am massaging it into my skin very well. I am using Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. Step 2 is applying a sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important for our skin and it's protect us from harmful UVA and UVB. I'm using Neutrogena UltraSheer Dry Touch Sunblock. Step number 3 is concealer. Apply concealer on your dark areas like under eyes, nose and other pigmented areas. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer. Step 4 is blending. Blending is really important for long lasting and flawless base. For that, using Color Bar Beauty Blender. Step number 5 is applying a compact powder. Applying a compact powder is locking your base for all day long. Today I am using L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Perfecting Powder. Step number 6 is blush and lipstick. 2 in 1. Starting with that, I am first applying my lipstick as a blush and I am going to blend it really well with my beauty blender. I am applying my lipstick with Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Vintage Pink. Step number 7 is a kajal. Applying kajal in your eyes is going to enhance your look really well. I'm going to apply it in my waterline and upper line. Now I'm blending it with a brush. Today's kajal is Faces Canada Magneteyes Kajal. Step number 8 is applying a mascara. I'm going to apply my mascara as my eyebrow pomade and also in my eyelashes. I am using Maybelline New York Elica plus Olivia by Stacy Mascara. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like to see a review. It is a final and finishing step. If you guys want to glam up your look, apply a cream base highlighter in your cheek area and blend it well. Today I am using MAC Strobe Cream. With that, my finishing look is done. Please let me know in the comment section below if you guys find my video helpful. With that, my 5-minute makeup look is done. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more video updates.